Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great and I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We are back at Monday, so let's jump right into our Minimal Monday video and I hope you all enjoy, so let's get started. So let's start with the question. One question that I am asked all the time is about the paint color that is in my kitchen. And it is the same color across the board. I get it from Lowe's. It's the Valspar paint. It is that white paint that I love, and it's called Pure White. Now I want to move into a home tip, and I was in that same store, Lowe's, recently, and this is not sponsored, but I was walking down the aisle and saw these lights that were drawer sensor lights, and I had never seen these before, but I thought that this was really neat, and so I said I wanted to share it with you. But it's a sensored light that you can put in your drawer. I thought it'd be also great to put in any cabinets that are maybe dark, or your pantry, if you have a dark pantry, that would give you light as soon as you open the door. And it ran, I think it was around $15, and it's battery operated, and here's the brand here. It's not sponsored, like I said, but I think it's a really handy tool, so I really wanted to share it. And I was telling one of my friend girls about it, and she was saying how she has that Lazy Susan cabinet that we all have, and a lot of times she has trouble seeing in the back of hers because it's rather dark, so this would actually be perfect for that also. And you simply put it in the back of a drawer, and it takes about a second to come on, and you're good to go. So next, let's move into this week's giveaway. And at one of my book signings, it was at Scarlett's Home Decor store here in Summerville, South Carolina. They had these covers here that you put over your dishware. I fell in love with them. I love that they, of course, had the gray accent on it, but they were in that linen color that I love, and I thought that they would be very durable. And they're cute, especially for spring and summer entertaining. You can definitely just put them over your dishware when you are kind of entertaining outside, just to keep bugs and things away. I love that you can also use them inside the home to put on your everyday meals just to keep them extra warm. So friends, you know I do this giveaway every Monday. It's different things, but a giveaway. And so all you have to do is be a part of my email list. If you're not already on my email list, I'll put the link below. If you are on my email list, you simply need to do nothing. You are already entered to win. And friends, I hope you had a great start to your work week or home week. I will see you at the next video. I have plenty of content coming out to you later this week, so definitely check back for that. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.